Hey, Star Wars buddies. Just got a couple packages in today and figured I'd do a 2-for-1 reveal here. Gonna start with the 50th anniversary Power of the Force Luke Skywalker. 6-inch version of the original 96 Power of the Force Luke Skywalker. That's looking good so far. Direct from Hasbro Pulse. Looks like they picked a pretty good sized box. Couple of air pillows, and you can tell they're not collectors. Collectors do a hell of a lot better job at packaging. Looks like a pretty faithful recreation of the 96 packaging. Thank goodness they didn't recreate the muscle-bound figure. Those horrible figures. This figure looks fantastic though. Looks like a little change up in accessories. Get back to that in a moment. The card back's looking pretty good though. The old cardboard cutout brings back a few memories. Pretty cool looking timeline there. Description underneath. Pretty good face sculpt overall. Really nice job on the tunic. Some good chrome highlights on the buckle and accessories. Pleats and folds look pretty good. The boots look fantastic. The binoculars. Very translucent blade on this lightsaber. Very nearly clear. Just a hint of blue. Pretty decent hilt. Touch chrome. Or silver paint, I guess. Pretty happy with it overall, I guess. Figure's pretty good. Just gonna throw in a couple of still images, the accessories. Let's get a better look at them. Looking good overall. Okay, so that takes care of Luke. We'll get him out of the way. And I just wanted to show you a print I ordered. It was a little wavy when it arrived, so I just quickly threw it into a cheap frame just to get it pressed out nice and flat. And it has taken the waviness out of the picture. A little slave Leia showing a little modesty. There were other prints available that were a little more X-rated. But I like a little modesty in my princesses. And here's just a still version. Try to eliminate the glare. Hey, thanks for watching. See you next time.